I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions that often fix update stalls. Make sure you're on a stable network, prefer wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, then open Microsoft Store, go to Library and tap Get Updates. Sign in if prompted. Once done, run WS Reset. EXE. It clears the store cache and often resolves stuck updates quickly. If an app still won't update, don't panic. Make note of its name and move to the next, more detailed troubleshooting steps. Now you dive into the complex middle steps: repair, reset, and re-register the store. Open Settings, go to Apps, right arrow Apps and Features, right arrow Microsoft Store, right arrow Advanced Options, choose Repair first. If that fails, use Reset. Next, run PowerShell as administrator and re-register the store package for all users to restore missing files. Also inspect services. Windows Update, Bits, and Microsoft Store Install Service should be running and set to finish by restarting Windows and checking the store updates again. Many fixes only take effect after a reboot. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and verify system date, time, and region settings because mismatches can block updates. If issues persist, create a new local user to test whether the problem is profile-specific, or use System Restore or Reset as a last resort. Quick troubleshooting tip. If re-registering failed, run Windows Update fully. Then repeat the re-register command. Sometimes pending updates must install first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.